Here's a third generation Pontiac Catalina Convertible. Nice looking car. This particular vehicle came to us out of a collection that we purchased. It's actually North Dakota is where all the cars came from. A lot of later 60s into later 70s convertibles the gentleman had in his collection. This car came out of that collection, and we kind of gave it the once over and made sure it ran, stops, brakes, turns. We have not got extensively into this car. We've had it up and down our frontage road, and so if you're going to plan on taking this on a long trip or what have you, I'd get it closer to home. Go through it yourself so you're familiar with the car. It's just one that came out of long-term storage is what it amounts to. I would call it a driver quality paint job. Interior is new. But you can see the gentleman that previously had this restored it. It does have fresher paint to it. Is the paint perfect? But as you can see, it does have a nice luster to it. I would not call it perfect. You'll find a few blemishes, kind of little fish eyes or what have you. Nice paint job, yes. Perfect paint job, no. As you can see, the bright working chrome, all pretty darn nice in this car. Car is pretty straight considering these Catalinas, how long they were. Interior is very nice in this car. See, the front bench seat has been revinyled, newer carpet, dash is kept stock. So nice looking interior to it. Underneath the hood, it does have a 400 paired with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. It's a nicely equipped Pontiac. See the Pontiac Motor Division wheel covers on it. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, see the underside, maybe check out the engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call too. We do consider trades. Financing is available on these older classics. We got some lending institutions that will work with that. And of course, we can assist you with transportation to where you're located at. So feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, you can see the chrome and the bright work in the back, nice shape. There are some extra parts and some things that do go with the car. They're in the trunk. You can check those pictures out. I do have it pictured as far as inside the trunk, and there's some boxes and what have you in there. Again, come around to this side, see the boot fits nicely. And again, the black vinyl interior, very nice shape on this car. I'm going to go ahead and see if we can fire this up. It is a little cold-blooded, but see if we get it running so you can hear it running. We'll check out the engine bay and everything. Steering wheel could use a little TLC, but appears to be original. Let's go ahead. Factory radio. Wood grain dash. Like I said, we kind of gave this car the once over after coming out of storage, and it starts and runs all right, but if you're going to take it on a long trip, I would want to get her closer to home and become familiar with the car, maybe go through it yourself. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and let's take a peek under the hood. Check out that 400. All right, there we go, 400 underneath the hood. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. See, it's nice and tidy under there. There you go, 1967 Pontiac Catalina Convertible. Came out of long-term storage. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. And of course, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com.